Okay. Fine. Concentrate, everyone. Time is less. Question paper 2014, right? Board paper. See which of the following are valid comments. See, it's a 2 marks question. There may be a more than one also. Third one, first one and third one, correct. First one, this one, and this one, both are correct, valid. What is meant by package? Name any two Java application programming interface packages.
A group of classes.
Group of related classes are stored in a package, but still, as always, I suggest take definition, correct definition from your textbook only. Yes, name any two Java application programming interface packages. Okay, java.util and java.io. Okay, even java.language also. There are many. Name the primitive data type in Java that is a 64-bit integer and is used when you need a range of values wider than those provided by int is a long integer. Long. A single second one. A single 16-bit Unicode character whose default value is /u 0000 character. It's a 2-byte character data type. State one difference between floating point literals float and double. One difference between floating point literals float and double. Can you suggest one difference between float and double?
It's the byte. Double is the 4 bytes. Float is 2.
So one difference is in the how much memory it consumes. Float consumes 32 bits or 4 bytes and double consumes 8 bytes or 64 bits. And even they have a difference in the range of values what they represent. Here you see this is a range of values what is represented by double maximum range. This is minimum range. In the same way, upper range of a float and lower range of a float, right? And the declaration you can show how initial value will be provided, that also you can show here. Okay. So these are some of the, and whenever we are initializing the floating point value, right, you need to write f value. F should be, character should be written at the end of the floating point value. And one more thing is, see the table only they have given here. And when we are initializing double value, we need to write the letter instead of m. So this table will help you to remember the difference, right? Okay. Okay. Fine. On. Okay. Fine. So they have asked for one difference, but there are many points we have seen. Let us continue with the next question. Concentrate. Yes. Find the errors in the given program segment and rewrite the statement correctly. One moment. Silence. 1 moment. You allow me to read the questions first. To assign values to an integer array, int a equal to new int of 5. Yes, here square brackets are required. They have given. Correct. Here also before the assignment operator, square brackets are missing before a or after a. After the assignment operator, Square brackets are missing. I mean, they have given parentheses. It has to be changed.
I level 5.
I less than silence. So here it should be I less than 5. Right, I less than 5, right? That is required.
I less than
5 equal to should not be. It is actually a logical error. Means we should not give it, give error only. Syntactical error only will come later on. Question 2. Operators with higher precedence are evaluated before operations with the high to lower precedence. Arrange the operators given below in order of higher precedence to lower precedence.
4 2 1 3.
4 2 1 3. Okay. So here, see Google knows. Operators. Yeah. So precedence table is here, right? So based on this precedence table, you have to find out, right? You have to find out. So in the question paper, what they have given: double line, logical AND operator, modulus operator, greater than or equal to, and plus plus. Online students, please update your answers in the chat box.
4 2 1 3.
4 2 1 3. 4 2 1 3. Let us check. 4. 4 is what? Which sign it is? Plus plus. Plus plus. Okay. Unary.
2 is modulus, next is
Modulus. Modulus is in the third. Then logical AND operator where it is, oh fine. And then greater than or equal to is here. 4 2 3 1. Okay. First one is plus plus, then modulus, then greater than or equal to, then logical AND. Okay. This is first, this is second, this is third, and this is 4 2 3 1. Okay. Fine. Identify the statements listed below as assignment, increment, method invocation, or object creation statement. Yes, can anyone concentrate? Everyone's here. This one, is it assignment, increment, method invocation, object creation? What it is? 4.
First one is method invocation.
Very good. First one is a method invocation, correct?
Second one is
Because second one is a assignment. Yes. Very nice. Object creation, increment, right? Increment statement, correct? Give two differences between switch statement and if else safe. If else statement.
Only equaling here in switch statement.
Along with that, I'll be trying to extract some difference table also. Right? So difference between until that switch and if else, not in JavaScript. In Java we want. Yes. Any table? Oh, sorry, table is not there. Yes, table is there. Okay. Here some differences between if else and switch statements. Okay. Yes, here.
Sir, testing
First one,
testing point and
okay. Definition: if else blocks are executed depending on the condition in the if statement, whereas the switch statement has multiple cases and the code block corresponding to that case is executed. evaluation used for integers, characters, pointers, floating point type or Boolean type. Even it can also be used for strings also. Whereas switch statement is it works only for character and integers. Testing tests both logical expression and equality, where tests only the equality greater than, lesser than, not equal to, those things will not come in switch statement. Kindly remember. Expression, multiple statements for multiple decisions, single statement for multiple decisions. Andre, in the if statement, you can have multiple conditions by writing logical AND operator. Whereas in the switch, it is not like that. In the switch, in the bracket, you have to write only one. Right. Say true or false, or only some integer values related variable or character related variable, right? Like that, multiple conditions can't be written. No, here also what happens, cases are like blocks only. Every case is like block only because it contains where. Yes, yes. And expression, multiple statements for multiple decisions, single statements for multiple decisions. And some more points they have given related to this. Kindly check it out. The table is shared. The next question is, what is an infinite loop? Write an infinite loop statement. Right, infinite loop is one where the loop will never ends. It will be keep on repeating the loop body. Right, the condition never gets false. It will remain true. So for that, what example you can use for infinite loop? For loop int I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 5, I minus minus. Okay. So here you can write some statement. Example for infinite loop. Next one. What is constructor and when is it invoked? Constructors are the special type of methods which are used to initialize the object, and the constructor is executed at the time of creation of object itself. So next one is question 3. List the variables from those given below that are composite data types. Composite data types. Second one, third one, this one. Okay. Let's see. Second one is array, composite data type. Third one is an object, composite data type. Sixth one is an object, string object. So it is also a composite data type. Second, third, and sixth. State the output of the following program segment. So string str1 great minds system.out.println str1 dot substring 0, 2 dot concat str2 dot substring 1. Great. Right. Okay. Oh, fine. Yes, 0, 2 means what? It will extract G and R from str1. Here they have said 1 from str2. That means what? From the index 1, all letters up to end will be extracted. So first we are going to get GR from the string 1. And from 1 index means from I in the minds up to end minds GRINDS grinds. Second one WH str1 dot substring GR2 means this is the E E is at 2, EAT we get, WH already they have given, it will become wheat, dot, wait, E to dot 2 uppercase, capital. So that means it will become capital wheat, capital wheat. What are the final values stored in variable X and Y? Wait, concentrate. What are the final values stored in a variable X and Y? 6.0. Okay, one moment. Okay. See, minus 6.35 is there. Still means larger value, right? So it is minus 6. Minus 6 is the larger value because minus 7 is a smaller value. Seal means larger value.
Minus 9 is smaller than
Negative value. Yes, max A comma B. And R int is there. Yes, R int. Okay. Last time we have seen that. But once again, R int here remembering. R int in Java. The R int method returns the closest value of the val argument. If the value after the decimal is less than 5, the number is rounded down. Otherwise, the next value. Fine. See, 14.7 is there. After 14.5, you are going to get 15. So you are going to get 15.0. Correct. Agree. Yes, one moment. Cross. Yes. Small correction in this example. Mat.seal A means minus 6.35 is there. It gives you the larger end, that is minus 6. Minus 6 is given to the ABS absolute, which converts negative number to positive. Hence X will receive plus 6. Right. And you make corrections. Rewrite the following program segment using the if-else statement instead of the ternary operator. String grade equal to marks greater than or equal to 90. Question mark A colon marks greater than or equal to 80. Returns B or C. How will you write it using if else statement? Now you say
greater than equal to 90.
okay. No. String grade, yes. Grade equal to A. Assignment operator A. Else if mark greater than or equal to 80. Grade equal to B. Grade equal to C. Fine. Give the output of the following method. Yes. Which question we are solving? Yes, try it. 5 is initialized to A plus plus system.out.println, you'll get 6. A equal to A minus minus A is there. Try solving it. A equal to 6. A minus minus 4. Okay, let us see. 6 minus 6. And this is going to be 5. Minus. It was 5. Now it is 4. That 4 we have to substitute here. So it is how much? Minus 4. Answer is minus 4. Okay, what is the data type returned by the library function compared to and equals? Compared to int equals returns Boolean data type. Yes. See, small state the value of characteristics and mantissa when the following code is executed. Silence here. State the value of characteristic and mantissa when the following code is executed. String, no. String s equal to 4.3756 int n equal to s dot index of dot. Now characteristic equal to integer dot parseInt s dot substring 0 comma n. See 0 comma n. N means what? N means index of first dot. 1, correct. That means only zeroth thing will be extracted, that is 4. In characteristics, 4 is there. Int mantissa equal to integer dot value of s dot substring n plus 1.
3.
N plus 1 means 2. 2. Okay. 2. Then integer dot value of means 2 will be returned. 3 will be returned. Correct. Because 0, this is 0, this is at 1, this is at 2, 3 is at 2. Got it? Okay. Next one is study the method and answer the given questions. Yes, trace this, trace it. Everyone trace. Try it. Try it. What is the range of possible values stored in the variable number? So that means what here in the number data type, it is going to have a value in between 10 to 1 to 9, 0 to 9, right? 0 to 9 maximum. Consider the following class: public class, my class, public static int x and y, and then public int a comma 2, a equal to 2, b equal to 3 is there. In this, name the variable for which each object of the class will have its own distinct copy. This one. See, range of values which stores in the variable is from 0 to 9 because they have said multiplied by 10. If you multiply it by 100, then like that. So public class, public static int 3 x 3 is assigned to x and 4 is assigned to y. A and b values are there here. Next, name the variable which each of the object in the class will have its own distinct copy. X and y, correct. They are x and y are. See, each object of the class will have its own copy, A and B, not x and y. X and y are static variables. Name the variable that are common to all objects and classes, x and y.
What is the output?
And now here output you check it out. String s equal to 1001. Int x equal to integer dot value of double dot value of integer dot value of means the
What is value of
value which is in the string format can be converted back to integers. For that purpose we use value of. Yes. And after that y will be how much? See, first one x is 1001 only, no change. Second one is having double dot value of yes, that is 1001 only. It is there. It is converted to double format. I'm using yes, and then here y in the sense it is you will get 1001.00. That number value will be printed, and it's third question. What is the answer for the third question? Answer for the third question. See, their question is, what is the output of this line? Do you remember in the beginning you had studied for escape sequences character? One. Escape sequences. That means /n /t like this. Along with that, whenever see inverted comma and single quotation mark are the special indication in some programming language. So that is why play is too much heavy.
Yes.
Question number 4. Define a class named Movie Magic with the following description. Int year, string title, then float rating. There are 3 instance variables and there are 3 methods. Movie Magic, void accept, void display. Where Movie Magic is the constructor, default constructor, which initializes numeric data members to 0 and string data members to empty string. In the void accept, see, along with the default constructor, they have taken accept, right, to input and store year, title, and rating. In the display, what you have to do, you have to display title of the movie and message based on the following table, right? So can you write this program? Start writing, everyone. Write and update. Okay. Question number 4. Here, public class Movie Magic. Done. Okay. Then here int year, string title, then float rating. After that, 3 methods are there. One is constructor, Movie Magic, default constructor, where numeric values are initialized to 0. Year is 0, title, empty string, a rating equal to 0.0 F. Yeah, you write on your own. Along with that, I'll be writing. So then see, along with the default constructor, they have given accept method also, like input method, public void accept, where in this scanner is to input and store, right? Input they have said we need scanner class. Scanner object has to be created. So let us system.out.println. Everyone write the program, don't sit idle. Okay, let it be. Write it once again, even though you have written it already. Here, yeah, I'll write import statement. Enter year. Here in this year equal to yes dot next int. Silence. And then title. So it is title, and after that it is rating. It is rating. It is floating point. So next float. Fine. This is accept method. And after that, public void display. Where in the display method? Display. Inside the display only you have to calculate. So if rating greater than or equal to 0.0 and should be next. Rating less than or equal to 2.0, right? Then it is message to be displayed is flop. So what we do, we'll have one temporary local variable string message. So here what we do, we'll say message equal to flop. Similarly, else if a rating greater than or equal to 2.1 and logical AND operator rating less than or equal to 3.4. Based on this range, so it is message equal to semi-hit. Okay, everyone write the program. Now it is from 3.5 to 4.5. Then the message is going to be hit. Then 4.6. 4.6 to 5.0. It is super hit. Only these values they have given, right? Only the maximum value for rating will be maximum 5, right? Else you can say system.out.println invalid value for rating, right? After that, you have to create. See, they haven't said to create the object. Yes, they have said. So we need public static void main. Yeah. One. Question. First part. Question. Here title rating. Second part. Here it is. Movie magic. The name of the class. Movie magic M1 equal to new movie magic M1 dot. See, already default constructor is executed. So I'm calling accept method where it will take an input from the user. Display will display all the ratings. This is the program. Okay. Yes, answer is updated to your group. Now, next one, question number 5. Question number 5. Try writing the program. Practice. It's like mathematics. You need to practice more and more. 1 minute.
Question 4, question 7, question 8, question 9.
Okay, question number 5. A special 2-digit number is such that when the sum of its digit is added to the product of its digits, the result is equal to the original 2 digits. It's okay, even though you have written, no issue. Write it once again. It will be a double practice. See, we have 59. You have to take the sum of individual digits. 5 plus 9, 14. And then product of these 2 digits will be 45. Then 14 plus 45 if we do, answer is 15. 59. So you have to take the sum of the individual digits of a 2-digit number and you have to take the product. That sum and product, if you both add it, if it is giving you the original inputted number, then it's a special 2-digit number it is. You should say that special 2-digit number, otherwise not a special 2-digit number. Even though you have written, write it and submit. So here it is, class will say special 2-digit number. I'll just give a name as special. Okay, and now in this public static void main directly, try writing this program. Program writing practice is very important. So here we need int n and one import statement, java.util.scanner. So here scanner object is created. Enter any 2-digit number. Right. So what do you do? N equal to S dot next int. One. Yes. Now you see while n is greater than 0, calculating sum of individual digits of a number, that program. N digit equal to n modulus 10. Then you need two more variables. Int sum equal to 0. Product equal to 1. Fine. So now in this, sum equal to sum plus digit, then product equal to product multiplied by digit. Then n equal to n by 10 for reducing the given number by one digit. And after that, sum equal to sum plus product. Sum plus product. And then if, see, n is reduced to 0 once when it comes out from the loop. So before we enter into the loop, we should have a temporary variable which stores the value of n. So here I am comparing with the temp, which is having original value of n. If temp is equal to sum, then say that system dot out dot println special 2-digit number. Pardon? Yeah. Okay, special 2-digit number. Else not a 2 special digit number. Okay. Fine. Next one. Sixth question. Write a program to assign, cross-check your program. Write a program to assign a full path and a file name as given below using library functions. Extract and output the file path, file name, file extension separately as shown. I think this, it was there in other program, in other question paper. The question is, here you see 1 minute. Whenever we open, right, when I open this question paper, in the Google Chrome, I'll open. Fine. Here in the address bar, what is this is displayed now? This is the path of the file, which contains two parts, right? Which contains two parts. One is path, one is file name. Path means it is the name of the folder, the location, exact location where that file is present. And file name is your file name only. So output, how it should come? Path should come, file name separately, extension separately. Okay. So this question was there in some other board paper. That is why that that program is ready. That ready program only I'll explain here. So at least for knowledge sake, we'll check this. Question number 6. Oh, where it is. One minute. Full path. Okay. Yes, here the same program is there. First here with the scanner, we have taken one string file name. You have to ask for to enter the full path. File name, where the complete path will be there in that. where in the int last index, file name dot last index of slash. In the path, what happens? Here you see, suppose if I take small file name, this one, I'll right click and I'll take properties. This is the path. This is called as path. And how your complete file name look like? Your complete file name looks like this. 1 slash extra, and after that your file name will be there, dot PDF. This is the file name and this is the path. What they are doing is they are trying to check, they are trying to extract the last index of the slash. When you get last index of the slash, just one position before from the starting gives you the full path. Whereas from this position up to end is the name of the file. From the last or the last index of dot you search. The last index of dot from the next position of dot up to the last position is the extension. 3 parts. But split how you'll use, because slash is there, dot is there. Now, instead of that, see, it's very simple. In this last index, file name dot last index double slash you have to write, single it not take. And string file path equal to file name dot substring 0 comma last index plus 1. Right. And then string f name, file name equal to file name dot substring last index plus 1 is the starting position, right, comma file name dot last index of dot. That is one position before dot, all will be extracted, that is file name. And file name dot substring file name dot last index of dot, right, from dot, all the things, letters up to end, everything will be extracted, it will be printed. See, you have to use these functions only, don't go for any split, because the examiner wants to know about these functions, whether you have a knowledge of this or not, right? Even though whether it is there or not, just have a look on this program, it will be helpful. Now, next one, 7th question, overload. Yes, design a class to overload a function area. Right, double area, there are 3 parameters with 3 double arguments. Return the area of scalene triangle using the formula. This is the formula. And second one, see, all the 3 parts are here. Now write overloaded function. Question number 8 or 7? 7. 7. Question number 7. Yes, everyone try writing. Only today talking, not writing anything. No idea. It is the effect of New Year or what? No. That thing will not work out. Write it. Class overload. Everyone try writing. Even though whatever may be the perfection level, that is very important, that practice is very important. No overconfidence. One small percentage of overconfidence makes few marks to go. So here in this, yes equal to, we need to declare a variable double. Yes equal to, yes equal to a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. divided by 2, and then area variable, that is also double. Then in this my dot S minus C. Okay, one more closing bracket, a parenthesis, then return area. MATH, yes. Typing mistakes.
That whole is this is I guess minus whole you have stored it for area but that was
One and the same. It's one and the same. Yes, you can do like that. Possible. Then second one. Yes, everyone right. Huh? Yeah. See the syntax. Double area. That means return type is there. That is why it need to be written. Double area into A, comma, into B, comma, into height. Yes, we'll have one variable double area. Area equal to 0.5 multiplied by height multiplied by A plus B. Return area. The second one is what? No, better to have 0.5. Public double area. It is double diagonal 1, comma double diagonal 2. If you want directly, you can write return 0.5 multiplied 4 multiplied by diagonal 1 multiplied by diagonal 2. Find whether they have said to create any. See, they have said only design a class. No need to write main program. Right. Question number 8. Finished writing. Program. Yes, question is a little different. Not required. They have said only design a class. That is why. No problem. No issue. Using the switch statement, write a menu-driven program to calculate the maturity of a maturity amount of a bank deposit. The user is given the following options: term deposit, a recurring deposit. From option 1, accept principal, a rate of interest, and a time period in years. Question only. Accept principal, rate of interest, and time, PTR, and output the maturity amount A receivable using the formula A. For option 2, accept monthly installment, P, rate of interest, time. Calculate the output maturity amount by using this formula. For incorrect, error message should be displayed. Okay. The last is question number 8. Everyone try writing the program. Don't sit idle. Yes. So now what we do, we'll have public class bank deposit. Import is required. write this program is bit different, calculations are different. Then public static void main is required. Yes. Then after that, see now the options are, see int choice, system dot output dot println. Yeah. Menu slash n, one for term deposit, slash n, two for recurring deposit, slash n, enter your choice. Right? And then choice equal to s dot next int. And after that, switch choice, second one. Switch choice. See, here, case 1, colon. Here in this, I'll declare the variables here itself. System dot out dot println, enter principal amount. I'll take int principal equal to. See, better these things I'll declare it outside only. Int principal comma, because for both the things these are required. 1 second. Rate and time. Fine. Scanner not taken. 1 minute. Scanner is required. Now here these 3 variables are declared. Principal equal to yes dot next int. And then similarly ask for rate of interest. I think only one time also if we accept it's okay, but they have said one time principal, another time maturity amount. That is why we need to ask it separately. So enter a rate of interest. Kindly use the same variable what is stated in the question. Don't use your own variable for rate or something like that. And then next is rate is over, time is over. Pardon?
Formula
Equal to?
For principal they use P, formula is P in bracket.
Okay. Fine. They have given no. Yes. Exactly. We have to use the same variable names. That is why these names I'm changing. P, where is T? T is not there. See, for rate of interest R, for time they have given N. The same names you have to write. P, R, then N only. The same variables using. It is P, R, here it is N. So enter the time period in years. Fine. Now we have to calculate the amount. So I'll take double A. I'll write A equal to principal amount P multiplied by 1 plus R divided by 100 whole raised to N is there. Mat dot power, one more bracket, comma, N. Very good. Sometimes, now here, that result has to be displayed later on. And you have to say break. See, program is same as the previous programs, but because of the different variable name formula, it may makes confusion, right? So once again, these all values are required, but with a different title. So this time, accept monthly installment. I have said we can't say principal amount. It will be monthly installment. Monthly installment, that is P only. Remaining rate of interest and time period in years, that is all same. No change. See, time period in months. Time period in months, not in years. Okay. Now here the formula for this A equal to formula, carefully convert it into Java expression. A small mistakes also leads to marks deduction. Huh? No, not required. N into N plus 1 whole divided by conversion of Java expression is important. Yes. Huh? P into N into P into P plus N. Na? Okay. Then after that, multiplied by R by 100, multiplied by 1 divided by 12. Right. For incorrect option, so break for this default. So you have to say system dot out dot println invalid choice. Fine. And at last, we have to print maturity amount at last. If choice is equal to 1 or choice is equal to 2, then system dot out dot println. No, here it is maturity amount. Maturity amount is, it is A for choice like this you can write. Question number 9. Write a program to accept the year of graduation from school as an integer value from user using the binary search technique on the sorted array of integers given below. Output the message record exists if the value input is located in the array. If not, output the message record does not exist. Yes, which program it is? Break is not mandatory for default. Yes, if you write also no problem. Right? So it's a linear search program. Binary, yeah? Binary search program is there. Yes. Okay. Even though. Yes. Now once again, directly in the main program. So few things I'll copy from the main program. And then fine. Here, see, already they have given, see, accept the year of graduation from school. Sample input they have given. But this is not only the final output. That means you need to accept the array elements. So first what? How many they have said? Value from the user. See, they haven't said how many values. They haven't, huh? No, they are sample input, but they haven't said to use these values only. Accept the year of graduation from school. That means first int n, I have to ask for enter the number of elements in array. See, write a program to accept the year they have said.
Which year is you want to find it? From which year we graduated?
That one. Okay. That means what? It is going to be a constant array. 1 minute. See, it's going to be a constant array. So new direct initialization. Yes, tell me the year number. 1982, 1987, 1993, then 1996, 1999, 2003, 2006, 2007, 2009, 2010. Direct initialization, creating the year with the direct initialization. Accept the searching year. So it is enter the graduation year to search. So you have to say year equal to yes dot next int, and after that, so our regular variables int start equal to 0, end equal to how many values are there? We can say a dot length minus 1, right? And after that, we should have one more variable bit, and then pick a while loop. While start is less than or equal to end. Yes, one variable extra required, flag variable equal to 0. So here mid equal to start plus end whole divided by 2. We are calculating the mid value. Once after calculating the mid value, if what is the name of the array? A. If A of mid is equal to year, that is the year which has to be searched. Then what do? You set flag. You set flag variable equal to 1 break. It has to stop the loop execution. Else if y of mid, if it is greater than year, then start will go to the next position of mid. So start equal to mid plus 1. Else means what? Y of mid is lesser than the searching year. So end equal to mid minus 1. At last, you have to check if flag equal to 0. Okay, no problem. System.out.println year plus graduation year is not found. Yes. Graduation year is found. Okay. See, they have said a record exists and not exist. We need not to write this. Just write a message. A record does not exist. Ask a question. And here record exists. Record exists. This is the program.
Because for this program, they ask for like the entire number.